Right, starting with Summer Fair. Okay, so we're going to put the first section up to bar 8, that's the middle of the second line, hands together. And you've written in your music that there are 3 lifts and joins. 2 of them are in this first section up to bar 8. Okay, so I'm just going to demonstrate that for you. So starting from the beginning, I've got my second finger on middle C and my right hand thumb on the E. And I'm going to count in 3 beats. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 1. Lift the G and put it back down with the next G and the B in the right hand. Then I carry on. Okay, so I'm now going into the second line and I'm going to play D with my left hand, then lift the D when I play the F and put the D back down again when I play the right hand C. And then I'm going to finish off in the middle of bar 8. Okay, so let's just look at that a little bit more closely. So bar 2 here, I'm going to play the G in the left hand. Then when I play the E in the right hand, I'm going to let go or let that key in the left hand come up. Right, but I'm not going to take my hand off the keyboard. I'm just going to let the key up. Then I'm going to play it again with the next note in the right hand, which is the B. So I play the G in the left hand, lift it when I play the first note in the right hand, then put it back down again or play it again when I play the next note in the right hand. So I'm just going to do that second bar of the music for you. So I play G in the left hand, then I let go the key, then put it down again. Here it is again. So left, lift when I play the right, then put them both together. Okay, and then if I look at the next time that happens, which is this bar, bar 6 on the second line, so I'm playing D in the left hand this time, then I'm going to let the key up when I play the first note in the right hand there, and then put the D back down again when I play the next note in the right hand. So let's play that. So I've got D and F now. D goes first, then it comes up when I play the right hand F and goes down again when I play the right hand C. Let's do that again. So left hand D, then it comes up and then goes back down again. Okay, but don't take your hand off the keyboard like that. Just let the key up. That's all it is. The key just needs to be released up again. And as you play this music hands together, it does sound a little bit jarring in places. If I play from the beginning, so you get a little bit of that sort of sound, okay? But don't be put off because that is how it's supposed to sound. So I'm going to do all those 8 bars once again without stopping this time, so you get the counting. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2. Together. Hold the left hand note. Carrying on, moving the right hand up. Next line, together. Now hold this G in the left hand, keep it down. Okay, and now going on to the next and the rest of the piece of music, I think you can carry on. So the left hand just carries on with the melody. 1, 2, there's a lift there. Now I'm on the third line, G, going up to middle D, G, 2, 3, A, 2. Now on to the last line, there's crotchets there, 2, 3, 1. And now right at the end you've got C, then G, and we looked at this chord, right, which is C, middle C, and E above it, but it is 1 and 2, so you have to just spread your fingers just very slightly. And it's only a 1 count note. Coloured in notes are 1 count crotchet notes. 2, 3, 1, off, because there are 2 rests that follow it. So that's the left hand. The right hand going on from bar 8 onto bar 9, starting on E, and again you've got rests at the beginning of nearly every bar. So I'm going to count that. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Now the next line. E, A, E, A. Now move the thumb to F, F, A, at the end of the line, C, B, A, B, C, then a rest, C, B, A, B, G, and this C is tied for 3 plus 1 more, then a rest. Okay, and if you wanted to put that hands together, you've got another lift and join just at the end of that line. So watch out for that when I play that together. For the rest of it, you haven't got any other lifts and joins. Don't think so anyway. I'll find out when I come to play it. So I'll play then from where we got up to in bar 8 with that left hand D. So I've got D and my right hand thumb on E. 1, 2, D, C. So here's the lift and join, lift, then down together, now onto the 4th line of music. Move the thumb in the right hand there. Now onto the last line of music. D, right hand, and together, and then together, 2, 3, then a little chord, and both hands finish at the same time.